There are two ways to use Figma. You can either use web interface or you can use a Figma app. I prefer Figma app, and let's see how this works. Right now I'm using Figma in my browser. This works fine, but if I have a lot of different tabs over here, this will be overwhelming, and sometimes it even can work slowly because different tabs can load your computer a lot. So in this case I prefer using Figma app. Actually, I prefer using Figma app for always. This is how it looks. It's pretty similar to that we have here. Everything is on the place. But the main advantage is that it is a separate application at your desktop, and you can always open just it and you will focus on Figma. So let's see where to find the application. You can type figma.com/downloads. And there are several files over here. There are desktop apps for Mac and for Windows. There are two apps for your mobile phones, for iOS and Android, and these are not graphical editors. These are preview apps. So if you work with mobile apps or mobile screens, this app will create a great preview of your design right on your smartphone. So we don't need these apps for creating banners and for our marketing purposes unless you create mobile screens. And font installers. There are a lot of fonts inside Figma, and if you want to manage them, you can download these installers for your fonts, but if you use desktop app, it doesn't require this. So all your fonts from Figma will be right there, but if you add some additional fonts into your system, this will work like with any other program at your computer. You just have to install other fonts that Figma doesn't have inside. You have to install them into your system manually, so like with any other app at your desktop. Okay, so after you click download the app, you will get a zip file and you will install it. Okay, so I suggest you do this. It's more handy to use Figma with the desktop app.